With non-stick dishwasher-safe plates, this Tefal sandwich toaster makes cleaning hassle-free. With 2 sets of plates included, you're able to cook delicious waffles as well as toasted sandwiches. Additional plates are also available, ensuring that you can enjoy versatile snack options from one super convenient appliance. Handy box storage lets you simply stash your collection of plates, offering helpful and space-saving storage that doesn't require a lot of room. The eject button releases the removable plates so that they can be swapped over with ease, allowing for easy release when you want a different snack. A locking latch on this sandwich toaster from Tefal keeps your ingredients firmly in place to deliver perfect cooking results every time.